Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to communicate with Slack. Just head over to slack.com and then head over and click on this Get Started. Once you have clicked on that, you will be prompted to log in on Slack, or you can also continue with Google. I'll head over and do that right here in order to make a seamless attention. Now, as you can see, you just need to choose your Google account and head over and continue with this process. Now you should be able to be confirmed as this email and you should be able to log in or get started. So as you can see right now, this is a fresh email for me, so I can head over and then create a workspace of my own. Click on this create a workspace. And then from in there, you will be prompted to the next page of Act, which is actually the client part. So from in there, just name your company or team. So I'll head over and name it BN Prems. Then click on next right here, and then once you have done that, just head over and then choose your profile photo. So click on next once you're done choosing your profile photo, and then just add coworker by email right here. You can also try to skip the steps for now right there, and then just invite people. So just put in here what your team is working on right now. So for example, if you're working on graphic design, just head over and then put that right here. Click on next, and then as you can see, it will be added as a channel. So just choose a plan right here for Slack. You can choose your free plan or also the pro plan of Slack right there. So just choose which one. I'll head over and start with free right here, but you can also start with pro. They have 50% off per person. So in here you can see your channel. The channels are the general, graphic design, random, and the likes. So you can also direct message people from in there. You can message them or just do anything you want. From in there you should be able to communicate with them. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and try our best to answer. Thanks.